Hi students, this is your today's class GST continuity of the previous video. This video from 10th sum. So listen the 10th question. A shopkeeper in Delhi buys an article at the printed price of 24,000 from a wholesaler in Mumbai. The shopkeeper sells the article to a consumer in Delhi at a profit of 15% on the basic cost price. If the rate of GST is 12%, find first subdivision the price inclusive of a tax which the wholesaler bought the article. Second, so like this we have a 4 category. Refer the books. So listen. Here, what is the market price of the article? 24,000. What is the profit wholesaler given to the article? 15%. Next, what is GST? 12%. Given GST is 12%. Listen, ma. In this article, the 12% will split it into two parts. 6% for SGST, 6% for C. So we need to find the amount for the 6%. So 24,000 into 6 by 100 now 2,880. This is the amount for the 6% interest. Next, the price of an article at which shopkeeper bought. So the shopkeeper on the amount and the article already the fixed price is 24,000 plus the 6% interest amount is 2,880. So 26,880. Next, we need to find the cost price and profit separately. What is the cost price? 24,000. What is the profit? 15%. Now we need to find this profit amount. How we find initial amount into 15%. So 24,000 into 15 by 100 or 3,600. So what's the total amount? 24,000 plus 3,600. So 27,600 is the paid amount. Now we need to find amount paid by the consumer. இப்போ கஸ்டமர் வந்து எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் அந்த ஆர்டிகலுக்கு பே பண்ணியிருப்பாரு அப்படிங்கிறத ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். லிசன், இங்கேயும் அதே மாதிரி தான் 6% because percentage is 12%. We need to find the interest for the 6%. So 6 by 100 into this is the amount now 27,600. 2020 cancel 1,656. So what's the total amount? Listen, this 1,656 only for the half percentage. Okay, wow. This is only for the 6% value. We need to find the total 12% value. So 27,600 plus 1,656 plus 1,656. You need to add all those things. You will be getting 30,912. இங்கே நான் 6% ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். உனக்கு கன்வீனியண்ட்டாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னா 12க்கு டைரெக்டாக படிக்கிறேன்னா better you do the 12% and add the 12% amount with 27,600. Both also correct. What's the third subdivision? Amount of tax received by state government. So total amount received by state government. How we receive? Listen. First 2,880 for the shopkeeper to manufacturer to the wholesaler, and this amount for the wholesaler to customer. So 2,880 minus 1,656. What's the answer? 1,224 rupees received by the state government. Next. So listen, how we find this is the total earning amount. We need to find only state government amount. Appa inge edu state government amount? In amount. So what's the total amount for the article? 1,656. புரியுதுலமா 1,656 minus 1,224. So 4,432. அதாவது இது வந்து ஜெனரல் ஃபார்ம், இது வந்து ஒரு 6%. ஸோ 1,224. இந்த அமௌண்ட் தான் ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் வாங்குறாங்களா? கிடையாது. ஏன் அப்படின்னா நமக்கு என்னது டோட்டலாக இருக்க அந்த 6% அமௌண்ட்லேருந்து இந்த அமௌண்ட்டை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணாதான் ரிமைனிங் அமௌண்ட் கோ ஃபார் ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட், amount of tax received by central government directly rate 2,880. அந்த அமௌண்ட் தான் டோட்டலாக எதுக்கு போகும்? சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட்டுக்கு போகும். I hope you all understand this. The board exam point of view, you have one question in this GST. Next question, 11th question. Listen, ma. Kiran purchases an article for rupees 5,310, which includes 10% rebate on the market price and 18% tax on the remaining price. Find the market price of the article. So listen, here we don't have the marked price value, but we have a rebate value and GST percentage. So listen here, we don't have the initial amount, so instead of that what we take it, we take it as X. So the marked price value as X. What is the rebate value they given? 10%. What's the GST for that? 18% GST. Listen, first we need to find the cost price value. How we find the cost price? Cost price na total amount minus the interest amount. So total amount we may not know, you take it as X minus 10% of the total amount. So 10% of X. So X minus 10x by 100. Next result, 100x minus 10x, take LCM, 100x minus 10x divided by 100. So 100 minus 10 is 90x by 100, 0 0 cancel, 9 by 10 cancel. Next, amount of GST of an article, we need to find the GST amount. So GST amount is 18% of the total amount. Now the total amount is 9x by 10. So 18% na 18 by 100 into 9 by 10 into x. Just you can keep it this value as it is. We can't simplify because we have a term in term of x. Next, now we need to find the total price. How we find the total price? Initial amount plus half percentage of the SGST plus half percentage of the CGST minus interest value. நம்மளுக்கு இந்த சம்ஸ் எல்லாமே நம்பர் நியூமெரிக்கல் ஃபார்மா இருந்ததனால நம்பர்ஸ் வச்சு நம்ம ஈஸியா ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிட்டோம். இங்க நமக்கு இனிஷியல் வேல்யூ தெரியாது x ன்னு இருக்கிறதுனால ஃபைண்ட் பண்ற டேர்ம்ஸ் எல்லாமே term of x ஆ பண்ணனும். Listen me, total amount, this is the starting amount, 6% amount, one more 6% amount, and this is for the interest value. That's why I mentioned here including GST. Interest in the total 3 values add பண்ணி அதற்கு interest subtract பண்ணா தான் நமக்கு market price கிடைக்கும். Okay, so listen, how we find that value? Given cost price of an article including tax, ஏனா அவங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிறது including tax ஓட amount, நமக்கு initial value tax amount எவ்வளவு தெரிஞ்சாதான் including ல இருந்து நம்ம subtract பண்ண முடியும். So the total including value is 5310. What's this value? The simplification value is 118 by 100 into 9x by 10 equal to 5310. Do the simplification, keep x around in left hand side, remaining all the value take to right hand side. Do the simplification, you will be getting x is equal to 5000. So the required marked price is, so அந்த article ஓட initial amount marked price எவ்வளவு வந்திருக்கும்னா 5000. அப்ப amount GST amount எவ்வளவு வந்திருக்கும் 310. Okay, so up to this, and the 12th sum is your homework sum. Up to this the GST chapter over. Board exam point of view, you have a one question compulsory in this chapter. It's a very simple exercise. You have only one exercise, only 12 sums. It's a very easiest exercise. Please refer when, if you have doubt ask me, I'll send you the homework.